In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on Revolut so you can manage your contacts and control who can send or receive money from you. Let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your device and tap on the Transfers tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of your recent transfers and contacts you've interacted with. Next, find the contact you want to remove. You can either scroll through your list of contacts or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific person. Once you find the contact, tap on their name to open their profile. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see their name along with some options. Here, you can choose to block the contact. It's important to note that Revolut doesn't allow you to permanently delete contacts from the app, but blocking them achieves a similar effect. Once blocked, the contact will no longer be able to send you money, and you also won't be able to send money to them. Blocking a contact is a simple and effective way to control your interactions and keep your Revolut account secure. Just tap the block option, confirm your choice if prompted, and the contact will be blocked immediately. And that's it. This is how you can block a contact on Revolut and prevent any unwanted transactions.